Hello friend, welcome. Today we have another kinky braid tutorial and I am going to show you how to braid it to be more bouncy as you can want it to be. So get ready, let's start. So the first step is to get a hair that is bouncy on its own naturally. Like get a kinky hair that's like when you stretch and leave it, it's going to bounce back a lot more than others. I did that too fast, but you're going to like pinch off a section and fluff it out if you need to, and you can just watch the way I braid it. So you saw the fullness of our hair, and that was the look we are going for. And I didn't do the square sectioning because I just felt this is going to look nicer with this round sectioning pattern. So I want to just really appreciate this gorgeous lady for letting me film her hair. I really appreciate it. And also guys, please, as you watch, do not skip the ads in support of the channel so that we can make money and grow, get better camera, and just give you my best. And if you have any video requests, please, you can just leave a comment or send me a message on Instagram. My name there is the same as this YouTube channel, Chi Diary. So I look forward to hearing from you, and also leave a thumbs up if you like this, share with anyone that it's going to benefit, and let's just keep watching. So you're just going to see all my tricks. Later in the video, I'm going to shift back so that you can see the whole length while I am still braiding it, because it looks, that's the funny thing about this hair, it looks like it is too long, but once you leave it and it bounces back, it's going to shrink a little bit, just like natural hair. So you're just going to watch carefully and you will not miss all the details. And let's continue. I'll come back and continue explaining where I need to. So I have a video of a shorter kinky hair. If you want to see that one, it will be linked at the end of this video. I also have a video of where I braided like the sides. I made the design on the sides, on the two sides, and then made kinky for the rest of the hair. I have it on my channel. I have another version of mini twist for a little girl, so it was kinky bouncy but like smaller sections and about 8 inches or just maybe 10 inches at most for my little niece. That video is also up on my channel. And I actually recommend holding your edges, especially when you're braiding long hair. If it hurts you at all, just hold it down for your don't even wait for the stylist to tell you to hold it down, but as far as you're not ruining the section, you just hold it down so that your edges will not be too stressed before you're done making your hair. And as you can see, I didn't braid her edges tight at all because she has this amazing fussy hair, and as a new client, I just hope to group those edges back if they were like just to make you fuller. She has really beautiful hair already, so I just wish to give her the best I can offer, and at the same time teach you the best I can give. And I look forward to like a comment from you. If you like the video, please just a thumbs up. It helps the video to like, it makes you to believe that the video is good and just increase my morale. We keep going, like we move, sis, we move. Let's continue. Look at that gorgeous hair at the at the pack of hair behind her head. Maybe you'll see it later in the video, the one with the afro and all those dread by the side. That hair is really cute. I wish I have someone who wants to make it. Okay, we move.